You can see here this chart. This line represents pre-test probability and this is the post-test probability, right? And this is the likelihood ratio. So if your pre-test probability is 0.5 and likelihood ratio is 10, your post-test probability becomes 0.9. If your pre-test probability is 0.5 but your likelihood ratio is 4, then your post-test probability is 0.8. So if you use this nomogram, this chart, then you can directly calculate your post-test probability. But if you do calculations, then you have to go through these two calculations, right? Because we multiply likelihood ratio with odds, right? So you have to convert probability into odds and then multiply with likelihood ratio. Then it comes post-test odds, and then you have to convert odds into probability, right? So if you calculate, you have to go through these calculations. Like your pre-test probability is 0.5, so you calculate odds. So with this formula you calculated odds of 1, then multiply the likelihood ratio with 10, right? Your post-test odd becomes 1 into 10 is equal to 10. So this is your odds. Now convert your post-test odds into probability. So with this formula, so your post-test probability becomes 0.91, right? Similarly, if your likelihood ratio is 4, it becomes post-test probability becomes 0.8. So first of all, you have to convert probability into odds, then multiply odds with likelihood ratio, you will get post-test odds, and then you have to convert again odds into probability. But if you use this chart, then you can directly estimate from here. You don't need to go through this calculation.